Let's make the most popular chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chips cookies.
Chocolate chips, no știu. Like and comment, subscribe. Make your own. Let's make the most popular chocolate cookies. This our result.
Follow, like, and subscribe. With nuts, what we prepare. Without nuts, normal chocolate cookies. Super easy recipe, don't require. Super easy recipe.
Super simple recipe you ever made.
Don't require any specific knowledge. Few ingredients, really simple to find everywhere. 12 minutes baking, that's it. You ever made.
You ever made.
Believe it or not, chocolate chips cookies recipe have 80 years old. The recipe was invented in 1930 by Ruth Wakefield, who famously ran the Toll House restaurant in Whitman, Massachusetts. The first recipe date 1938 in the cookbook Tried and True was intended as a cookies to accompany ice cream. In 1939, Mrs. Wakefield sold the right to produce this recipe from the Toll House to Nestlé. Mrs. Wakefield was a perfectionist. Her recipe still can be found on the back of the Nestlé chocolate cookies.
Hello guys, I'm Masai. I forget again chef. Hello, I'm Chef Masai from Ethiopia. Today we don't say today Masai.
Don't say today.
Yeah, super simple recipe. Few ingredients: butter 360, brown sugar 240, egg 2 pieces, cake flour 360, baking powder 10 gram, choco chips 300, pecan nuts 300. Make your own.
First we have to chop the pecan nuts and then mix with chocolate chips. Keep it aside.
We use pecan nuts, will give you extra texture, extra moist on the cookies due to the oil of the nuts. But if you wanna remove it, just increase a little bit your chocolate chip and that's it.
Flour you mix with the baking powder. So once you have this nuts and flour baking powder already mixed together, kept separate, and now we will start to make dough, cookies dough. It's very fast. It's within 5 minutes dough is ready. In this mixing bowl we'll use.
First step, butter, room temperature butter, soft butter, and then brown sugar.
You don't have to over mix it, only just combine both ingredients and that's it.
And then we need to put our eggs.
After adding eggs also you just a little bit mix it, and then all the dry ingredient which remain you combine it and then put. So within 5 minutes your cookie dough ready. Super simple recipe. When start to form a dough, and that's it. You don't have to over mix it.
How long is it called?
5
minutes.
5 minutes.
Look this beauty. After resting, now time to shape and bake it.
The most easy, simple recipe we ever made.
What we do a normal thickness of chocolate chips cookies that is something like that, I think 5-6 millimeter, and cooking 12 minutes at 160. That's it. Very nice.
My dough is ready. Now spring down.
160 full ventilation. If you don't use the ventilation because you have just a static oven, remember will take a little bit longer, but 160 never change the temperature, please. You can do whatever side. We do 110.
Yes.
110, 90 is medium, 110 is the giant cookie, 40 grams is the coffee one.
I scale 110 grams, so I roll. No need to more press, because if we are pressing more, when the oven is coming more thick. So it's the difference big size.
That means we do something like that, burger style, and after when it's in the oven, will melt a little bit, become bigger. Yeah, 110 grams each. In this case, you can do what you want. Ready for the oven, 160, 12 minutes. And that's the result. Let's break it.
Make your own. Now we break it, we test it.
Let's test this beauty. Juicy inside, crispy outside, perfect combination.
No soft, this one's not more crunchy. This is so good.
Yeah, soft inside, a little bit crunchy outside.
Yeah.
That is what we want. That's what needs to be. Let's make your own. Super simple.
Super simple recipe.
So juicy, crunchy, very nice.
And this is the without the nuts. Same result, super simple. We prefer the other one.
Juicy, crunchy, it's very nice. How's it?
Very nice.
Very nice. Let's make the most popular chocolate chips chocolate cookies. Like and comment, subscribe. Make your own. Let's make the most popular chocolate cookies. This our result.